Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Acting Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Niger Delta Development Commission, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, says under his leadership, the Commission will embark on people-oriented projects and programs in consultation with communities in Nigeria's oil-rich region. Dr. Ogbuku made a disclosure at an interactive meeting with leaders of the 26 ethnic nationalities and other stakeholders in the Niger Delta recently in Port Harcourt.
Acting Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the NDDC, Dr. Samuel Ogbuku, recently hosted leaders of 26 ethnic nationalities and several groups in the Niger Delta at the Commission's corporate headquarters in Port Harcourt. It was an interactive session with former federal lawmakers, renowned academics and youth leaders in the region, where Dr. Ogbuku gave account of his stewardship in the dissolved governing board of the Commission. Upon the dissolution of the board, Dr. Ogbuku was mandated to oversee affairs of the Commission pending the appointment of a new board. The NDDC boss had assured stakeholders in the Niger Delta that under his leadership, the Commission would embark on people-oriented projects and programs in consultation with communities.
Today we are willing to partner with you. Our programs and activities do not mean they are final. We'll subject them to your approval when we have our stakeholders summit, so that whatever we're doing, let it be a collective vision that represents the interest and aspiration of the people of the Niger Delta.
Since its establishment in the year 2000, NDDC has provided critical infrastructure such as roads, bridges and electricity projects to aid development in the Niger Delta. At the recent meeting with stakeholders, Dr. Ogbuku drew their attention to the challenge of unemployment, which he said the NDDC was all set to tackle headlong.
We should be able to do other things that will also employ our youths around the Atlantic coastal line in this region. We don't even have a single fishing trawler. We want to partner with people that are going to fishing trawler businesses. This is an intervention agency. Let us also intervene in the food security of our people.
Earlier, National Chairman of the Pan-Niger Delta Forum, PANDEF, Senator Emmanuel Iboresien, commended President Bola Tinubu for appointing the Dr. Ogbuku-led Management Committee, which according to him had the unflinching support of all stakeholders in the Niger Delta region.
We wish to state our confidence in and unflinching support for the Management Committee. From observations, your series of interactive sessions with various stakeholders as a starting point was very commendable and encouraging. We would therefore urge you not to deviate from the already said balance. The patriotic people of the Niger Delta region are fully behind you. Therefore, you should remain steadfast, resolute, continue to brave the storms, and make our region proud with legacy projects.
For as long as he remains in the saddle, Dr. Ogbuku promises to champion the cause of largely backward communities in the Niger Delta, in line with President Tinubu's vision for the region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,